Ofane, achomi na nama McBrown. Ko na mie ubanye ke brim. Ewo ene Chorkor youth I'm a TV ne. Ewo channel kela. Kaya, channel kaya. Hello, tashi no kwe. Hello. No ba fe no ba kwe. Bona.
In case you are watching us, we are trying to shoot a short skit promoting Chorkor. There's a lot of perception about the community itself. So we're using Chorkor Youth TV to promote, just to make people have a different perception about Chorkor. So today we are shooting a short skit of a lady who just came from Kumasi. And unfortunately for her, she got robbed. But the rest of the story follows. But I want to introduce the crew to you. And we have our beautiful Oblayone Biachole Justina.
Yeah.
And then also we have Wakiki, Bomba, another character, Bajikwe, Bachombi. Mene like no concept so fantasy. Pure fantasy. When I get fantasy, I get comedians here. It's a fantasy. Alumni. Oh no, yeah. Actually, Wakiki, aka Yolo.
Yeah.
Le Efita crew, he's part of the crew members, and he is also going to be the hero of the day.
Yeah.
And then we have our another man. He's also Joshua. Leon. And you can see that all these people are not Gans, but they can still speak the Gan language. And then we also have Willie. He's also the behind the scene guy. And also we have assistant director. His name is Lord Alonte Ao.
Yeah, new one.
Lord Alonte, pure Ghanaian. So these are the people we are working with, and I hope you guys will enjoy. Try our best to bring more skits to just promote this community. And they are all living in their community. So be expecting more from us, and go and check our Facebook and our YouTube channel, Chorkor Youth TV, and subscribe and enjoy our video.
Subscribe.
Charlie, oh, you're not going to buy you.
Oh, David, no, you no could be another.
Subscribe. Backstage, yeah. All right, man. Yeah, Rado, bye bye.